You want what? Oh, your poor thing.
But they told me I'm meant to be faithful and walk when not able and fight till the end, but I'm only human.
I don't just see which is the switch.